Hello, this is Rahim Sheikh, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the VMware Tool status from your vCenter for all the virtual machine. VMware Tool status is very painful task for every VMware administrator, and me and my friend that we thought of let's create some kind of tutorial video. And today we just created for one customer, and I thought of let's create the video on that documentation. So this is my vCenter server, which I basically use for my test and development purpose, and I don't know the status of the virtual machines, the VMware tools. The one way I can do is like I can just check the VM version and whether the VMware tools installed or not installed, or what I can do, I can select the individual virtual machine and I can go into the summary and I can check whether the VMware tool is running, up to date or out of date or not installed. Okay, but this is very painful task. So another way to check that is we can use the PowerCLI, VMware Power CLI, to get this list. So just open the VMware Power CLI, and first we need to connect to vCenter server from here. So I'll use the command connect-viserver and hit enter. Provide the IP address of your vCenter server and hit enter twice, because you can provide multiple vCenter servers details. Now it will show you the certificate and it will prompt you for the username and password. If you are already connected to vCenter server and you are running the PowerCLI from vCenter server, it will directly go ahead into the console. But I'm connected from a laptop, so that is the reason it will ask me for username and password. And I have provided my magic credentials to log into the vCenter server, and I'm connected. It's showing that I'm connected to the vCenter server with port 443 and as administrator. So let's clear the screen and I'll show you. There are a few commands which we need to run before getting the list of VMs with the status of the VMware tools and VMware hardware version. So I can just run the get VM command and it will give me the list of virtual machines. Okay, but before that I need to create few objects which will automatically add virtual machines, VMware tools and hardware version details into the report. So here is the command which I'm going to use. So I have already written it somewhere on my notepad, so I'm just copying it here, and this is the command: New-VIProperty dash name tool version objective virtual machine value from. So this exact command I'm going to put into the comment section or the description section, so you can copy this from there as well as I'm going to put the same details on my blog, which is rahimsheikh.com. You can get it from there as well. Let's run this command on the PowerCLI. So I copied it. I'm just going to paste it and hit enter. So it's forcefully added the virtual machine version in the virtual machine object. Now I need to add one more properties, VI properties, which is the VMware Tool status, which will give me the status of the virtual machine. And here is the another command. So if you want, you can just pause this YouTube video and you can record this. I'm just expanding the screen so you can just type it if you want. Again, I'm saying that I'm going to put both the commands in the description section as well as on my blog, which is rahimsheikh.com. So let's paste this command as well and hit enter. So this has added tool version as well. So now let's run the command which will give us the result. and this is the last command, which is very easy. Get VM and what details I need to select. So I'm selecting the name, version, tool version, and tool version status. Right click and paste and hit enter. So it's running that command against all the virtual machines, because I'm just running the single command get VM and using this pipe to display the additional objects of that virtual machine. So if you look at, I have the status here, like let's say this RHEL virtual machine, it's having the virtual machine version 8 and running the VMware Tool version 9349, and it says that Guest Tool needs to update. Also, the next is Guest Tool is correct. So wherever you find Guest Tool needs to be updated, we need to update the VMware Tools, and wherever it says Guest Tool correct, so you don't need to upgrade the VMware Tools version here. I'm going to create one more video in future how to upgrade the VMware Tools on the virtual machine with the command line in one go. Probably I will be doing it by next week, and I hope you must like that video. But the training doesn't stop here, because I need this information in CSV because I need to paste it somewhere in my report. So I just need to add few additional commands which are here, like export CSV and no type information and use cultural, and here is the path which I'm going to use. So I will save. I already created one folder which is called tools, and I'm going to save this information in here. So if you go in computer, and you can create the folders. So this is the folder where I'm saving the file. Okay, so I'm copying this script, get VM, select name, and I'm exporting this into the CSV in that folder. So just clear the screen, right click and paste this command, and here what it will do, it will run that export and it will save it as a CSV file. Just hit enter and into C:. So I can just go to here, from here, like just copy this path and hit enter. It will open the CSV file from command line itself. And this is the output what we are looking for. Now I can use this output, import into the Excel, and I can create this standard nice looking export or the document which will say the status of the virtual machine tools in my VMware environment. I hope you liked this video, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.